All right, this is part 2. So as I was saying, I like the template because it gives you the information that needs to be in the project or in your report. Course title, this is graphic design 1, and then you could put the date, okay? So I'm just gonna put it, all right. So section 1 would be the very first word on the list. So I have to go back to Teams. A sender, so I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste. A sender. So if this is an option, because the directions, I'll go back, say to find examples of the vocabulary. And it tells you to use Microsoft's way to create your presentation. So, and I said this part is the option. You can select the definition, copy the definition, and paste it in the text card area. Again, remember I said this is an option, because what I am looking for is a picture that represents a sender. So you can go to Google if you like, or you can look for it right within Microsoft Suite. You never have to leave it. See? So there are examples. You're going to get a lot of pictures, but you want the picture that represents a sender. So if you look at the definitions, the part of a lowercase letter, and it tells you the letters, that rises above X height. So that would be these. So I could use this as my example and add. And then I don't need this text card, so I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to delete that. And then this is the next one. Well, actually, I don't need this or this. This is section 2. So then if you want, you can actually put more than one word, but I wouldn't put more than 3 words. All right, I think the video is getting ready to stop. So the next word is descender. So if you want to, you can put a sender and descender together. Here we go. And so the next one is descender. I would click here, type descender. And then again, find your picture. So it's pretty easy. Here are your descenders. So I kind of like this one. I'm going to use this one. And if you want, again, you copy and paste the definition here. So it is a lot of back and forth, but you are free to use the copy and paste. This is very important when we start using Photoshop and start doing these type assignments that require you to use typography skills or the typology concepts. So you're going to need to know the difference between all of these terms. You may not need to know them all at once, but you will at some point in graphic design, you will actually use every single one of these terms. So don't worry, you will have time to learn them.